Hey, Matt with CJ Off-Road. I'm here with Keith from Drake Automotive Group. We're taking a look at their new hood rail system. Keith, can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Yeah. Hey, Matt, thanks for having us here today. What you have in front of us is a product from our division Drake Off-Road, which is part of our company, Drake Automotive Group. What you have right here is actually our hood-mounted JK rail system. It's part of a complete line of both A-pillar and roof-mounted rails, and it allows you to mount a variety of different accessories. Now with each one of these, we've included a bracket set that allows you to use a light bar. It's kind of, we figure, will be the most popular option for people. And then from there, we actually offer a few other accessories, such as a GoPro mount, high lift jack mount, and also a shovel. And more items will come down the road, but we really wanted to get started with this one as we knew it would be the most popular and get people engaged and started with the JK right away for accessory mounting.
Yeah, I completely agree. This thing looks really neat. It reminded me of the AR-15 right away. I think you'll be able to get a lot of versatility out of it. I see the light mounts. You say GoPro mount and shovel. You got me excited. Let's get it thrown onto our 2008 Jeep Wrangler.
Matt, what you see here is everything that actually comes with the kit in this hood-mounted rail system. We have the main brackets that go on the hood. We have the intermediary brackets that actually allow the sliding and adjustability of where you want to place this centered on the hood. And then we have the accessory brackets that allow you to install the light bar onto the rail. So we're going to start by actually installing the hood brackets with the intermediary brackets onto them, and then we're going to put them onto the rail and then mount it on the Jeep. It's actually a very straightforward, very quick process.
We're going to go ahead and grab the hood bracket here, one of the intermediary brackets, and set it on top. As you see underneath, it is countersunk. Grab a hold of the small included Allen key bolts and start to thread them in. Get them started, then we'll go back and tighten them down with a 2mm Allen key. The nice thing about the holes is that they are countersunk, meaning that the Allen key head bolts won't interfere with anything when they're on top of the Jeep. Once you have this side assembled, move on to the next piece. We'll get that one done. The first step in installing this hood rail system is to alleviate some pressure on the hood. Gonna go ahead and pull that latch off. Do the same on the other side. We're gonna do one hinge at a time. That way we don't misalign the hood. We're gonna get started on the passenger side. We've got the passenger side bracket here. As you can see, we have turned it around. That way this flat section faces the front of the Jeep, gives it a nice clean look. Make sure that you leave this Allen key bolt loose. That way you can slide the rail system in there. Put the gasket down onto the hinge first. Use the included hardware with a washer and a lock washer. We're gonna go ahead and get them tightened up, not super tight, just get them snugged up, then we'll get the other side on. This will allow for some adjustability. That way we put the metal rail on, it won't bind up. The next step is to slide the center rail through. We're gonna start from the driver's side. It might help you to grab an extra set of hands. Once you have it evened up between the brackets, go ahead and tighten down all your bolts. Make sure you torque these bolts down to factory spec. We're going to use the included light mount brackets. We do have a 20-inch light bar here that we pull from our stock. They simply slide through this hole and then they use the same Picotan rail as is the rest of the system does. Leave this nice and loose here, and then we'll use the stud that comes out of the light bar, go through this hole and put the nut on, put it up on the Jeep. Repeat the same process on the other side. Use the hardware that comes with the light bar, get it snugged up, and then we'll throw it on the Jeep. Go ahead and slide the brackets over the top. Get it nice and centered up or offset if you like. You can pretty much put this wherever you'd like it or it serves the best purpose for you. Once you have the brackets where you like them, get them nice and tight. After you have the light bar tightened down, your installation is complete.
Okay, Matt, well, it looks like that's everything you need to get it installed. Now it's on the Jeep. What do you think?
Well, you know, I thought the install was really simple. It's a really unique look to the front of our JK. Allowed us to put a 20-inch light bar up there, but I can think there's a ton of other accessories I can put up there. You mentioned a high lift jack. I can put up other lighting accessories. I think it's a really cool product and it looks really awesome on our Jeep. Plus the install time only took about an hour, so I think it's a really great product.
No, it's great to hear. You know, this is the first in a line of accessories we're making featuring the rail system. We're actually going to do different length rails to expand the application for fitment even more. And we're definitely looking to the JL system right now and adapting the system to that as well.
I think that'll be really great if you can kind of get the system incorporated in the whole front end of the Jeep, maybe on the sides as well. That'd be really nice. Now you can find this rail system as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.